A while back, I was in Houston getting barbecue sauce on my shirts and checking out a line of prefab homes that have a very cool look. While I was there, I toured a 60,000 square foot factory and multiple homes in various shapes and sizes, including a 2,800 square foot home that was delivered in 4 pieces. Even though I was able to get a pretty good idea of what they're up to from the tours, sometimes the best way to really learn about a company is to talk to the people who started it. So that's exactly what I did. For anyone who missed the tours and are wondering what I'm talking about, the company is Aura Prefab Dwellings. If you haven't heard of Aura, they're a Houston-based builder founded by architects bringing new ideas and designs to the industry. The 3 homes that I saw all served a different purpose, highlighting their ability and willingness to build a diverse line of homes. The smallest was the Uno, a 620 square foot 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom home with a deluxe kitchen, big windows, and it even had a skylight in the shower. The combination of windows and ceiling height in the Uno made it feel bigger than the footprint. Next, I saw the Quadro, a model that gets delivered in 2 pieces and one stacks on top of the other. The bottom floor has the kitchen, living room, 1 bedroom, a closet for the hot water tank, and stair access to the 2nd floor. Upstairs is where you'll find 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, a deck, and a spot for a stacking washer dryer. What I like about this design is it allows people to get almost 1,100 square feet of space in a footprint of 16 feet wide by 34 feet long. Perfect for infill lots or as a secondary home on a property. The final home that I saw at Aura is definitely one of the coolest that I've seen. It's 2,800 square feet delivered in 4 pieces and sitting over 8 feet above the ground. It was awesome. This home was split into 2 sections, one half the living space and kitchen, and the other bedrooms, bathrooms, and offices. This was the biggest prefab home that I've ever seen, and it was stunning from front to back. I could go on and on about each of the homes that I toured, but for the purpose of this video, I sat down with the co-founder Rame to talk to someone directly involved in the design and build. So, cut to Rame. All right, I'm here with Rame at Aura Prefab Dwellings and Hospitality in Houston, Texas. I guess the most logical place to start would be, how did you get into this?
Well, Russell and I founded Aura. We were both architects, and we really came from a background of high-end custom homes. We started doing our own building and development, and really through that process saw a lot of the challenges that people often face with site-built construction. And that really led us to look for a better way to build. So we've been in the modular realm for around 10 years now, and are really excited to be impacting what we see as the future of construction.
Okay. I've gone through 3 homes now. They've all got kind of a signature look, I guess you could say. Could you speak to some of those details, and is that because of your background?
I think it probably is. So coming from, high-end custom homes, we wanted to bring good design and make it more accessible to people. Some of the things we really love to do is really think about spaces and natural light. So a lot of our projects have large windows, larger ceilings than maybe what others are doing. And really, to us, that really enhances the feeling of the space.
Totally. I've gone through your website and looked at the models, and then I've seen some of the stuff in person. And there's kind of a wide range from sizes and pricing from, something around 200-300 square feet up to almost 3,000 square feet and over 3,000 square feet. So if you could lay out what you're offering here on a silver platter to people, what would you say?
Sure. Well, we've kind of compartmentalized our offering into a few different categories. So one are single family homes that would work in an urban lot, and those are some of the, the larger size homes. And then kind of bringing it down in scale, we're also focused on kind of smaller dwellings that could be adapted for development type use, and that's kind of a mid-range of square footage, say 1,500 square feet. And then bringing it down in scale are the accessory dwelling units, and those range from 275 square feet to 1,000 square feet.
I know with the custom stuff, you can go as high as you want, but where would people be starting for price if they wanted to come in on the entry level of what you're offering, I guess?
Well, our most affordable option with our entry level pricing is our Kubo.
Okay.
And part of that is really just driven by it's a smaller square foot.
Okay.
So, that is really a studio option that works great as a guest house. and can also be deployed to, remote locations.
Okay. So last night we had a chance to go to one of your custom builds, and I don't live near a floodplain. This was built on a floodplain, and so it was over 8 feet high. Can you talk about how that design all came together? And because it was just so interesting to see.
Sure. Well, that project in particular was really driven by the site. So as you mentioned, it's in the floodplain. It needed to be raised up, and really thinking through both the the resiliency and the code requirements together to create something that is a unique solution, but adaptable to a lot of flood lots of similar conditions.
Okay. So what was there before? I know they mentioned, they had a house flooded.
Yes.
But they wanted to rebuild on that exact property, and that's why they went up.
That's right.
Okay.
Right. So the building code in Houston required that it be raised.
Yeah.
We went slightly higher so that they could get all usable space on the first floor.
Okay.
So that was something that is a little bit unique for the neighborhood, but really gave them almost double the square footage for not much more cost.
So I noticed on your website, all your pricing is turnkey, and it says turnkey within Houston, which makes sense because it's tough to price the entire country. I know every area is going to have different costs for shipping and what have you. But where will you deliver? Will you deliver outside of Houston?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Yeah, we've done projects as far away as California.
Yeah.
And we love to hear from people. So if somebody's interested, reach out to us, and we'll be able to give them a better sense depending on their area.
Okay. One thing that surprised me was, I guess, the size and scale of what you're doing here. You've got a 60,000 square foot factory. How many homes are you able to pump out at full capacity?
At full capacity, our plan would be to deliver 500 modules a year.
Wow.
So it's a scale where we can start to make an impact in housing.
Totally. Okay. Now, last question. People have a lot of options out there right now. What is one, possibly two things that separates Aura from the other options available, I guess?
I think our biggest differentiator is really the design and the thoughtfulness of our spaces. And we're really taking that background, combining architecture with site-built construction.
Okay.
And we can create some unique solutions, from some of the custom things you've seen to really optimizing our standard floor plans.
Okay. Now, I guess one more. What would you say going forward would be the ideal bread and butter for the company, like as far as building goes?
Well, we'd love to really focus on some of the dwellings and hospitality units.
Yeah.
Our accessory dwelling units work really well with some modifications that we've designed for the hospitality industry.
Yeah.
So some of those that can double as guest suites is something that we're really interested in.
Cool. Okay, thank you for your time.
Yeah, thank you.
All right. There you have it, an inside look at a company with a 60,000 square foot facility and the ability to build up to 500 homes per year in an area that gets asked about all the time. They have some very cool builds in the works over at Aura, so I will be following along with what they're up to and posting updates right here on my YouTube channel. That's all I've got for today. If you like prefab home videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel because I've got new ones coming out every single week. Thanks for watching. See you in the next